Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset your forgotten password on the Bluesky application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Bluesky application on your device and you will now be shown the create account as well as the sign in button. Tap on the sign in button and you will be asked to enter your username or your email address and your password. Tap on the forgot button alongside the password box and now just enter your email address that is associated with your account. Once you enter your email address, tap on the next button and now you will be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to your email. So check within the inbox of your email address that you just entered and you will find your verification code. Just enter this code within the reset code box and now you can enter your desired new password for your account. After typing in your desired new password, tap on the next button and now your password has successfully been updated. Tap on the OK button and now you may proceed forward with logging in using your newly set up password. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to reset your forgotten password on your Bluesky account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.